What is going on, everyone? Today, we're going to talk about how gas prices are affecting the home care industry and what that means for the future of senior care. But first, you got to like, comment, subscribe, and show some love. I heard a little birdie, a birdie named Biden. I don't care whether you like him or not, doesn't matter. But we had a little convo this morning. He said that if you like, comment, and subscribe, he will bring gas prices down. But if you don't, he's going to jack them up. So you better like, comment, and subscribe to this video if you want your gas prices to go down. All right. You're welcome. All right, guys. So my name is Chris Shannon, the founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care. And today we're talking about how gas prices really are affecting the home care business. And I think, it's one of those things that as a home care operator myself, we're sitting here facing this target that's moving like almost daily. I feel like every time you go to the gas pump, the cost of fuel per gallon is continuing to go up, and it does not seem to ever go down. It just seems to be going in one direction, and it happens so frequently that it's you could be sitting in line and watch the gas price change up. Okay, so that being said, it's what kind of an effect is that going to have on the home care business, where in home care you have caregivers traveling to homes all throughout a community, taking care of individuals one-on-one. And so what kind of effect is this going to have on, the home care business? What does this mean? Because this is putting additional pressure on, caregivers who are actually taking care of individuals in their home and having to drive and put this mileage and all this stuff on their car. And it's going to put pressure on the home care businesses because they're not going to be able to hire people who might be considering this issue of gas or having to travel far for work. And so this additional pressure is ultimately going to lead to one thing. What could that be? That means that home care prices are going to go up, or we're going to see surcharges starting to be added to the cost of home care. And so again, here we are in another situation where we got inflationary pressure because of the cost of living, just simple rent and food and electricity and water and those costs rising and taxes. We have additional pressure that is going on where in the healthcare world we're fighting against retail for the same hourly wage kind of entry level positions, and we're fighting for the retail person that might choose retail over healthcare because retail might for the first time ever pay more than the healthcare space. And the hard part is it's the healthcare space is so bogged down by if you're working with a Medicaid or long-term care insurance, they may only pay X amount per year. You may be in a 2-year contract where you don't have the ability to charge anymore for services. If you're taking care of existing clients and you've already raised your rates on your existing clients, thinking that was going to be enough to cover your expenses, then come to find out it wasn't, as you've given raises or as other things have come up, other variables have come up, and now you've had to spend more money on recruiting and hiring and retaining new employees. The pressure that's going to put on these companies is going to be immense, and ultimately it's going to lead to higher home care costs, which is going to mean higher care costs for the families and for the individuals who are in need of care. So that being said, guys, what does this mean? This means people are going to need an alternative solution. And what is that alternative solution going to be? I'll let you guess. I have a feeling that you already know. Yes, adult daycare. That's right, guys. I think this is another reason why, just again and again, I keep preaching this message, but the reality of it is that as these prices for, private duty in-home care continue to rise, adult daycare is just going to become an attractive option. When families call up a home care agency and say, hey, we'd like to schedule services for my mom or my dad or my spouse, and they come into the house and they sit down and we're going over pricing. We're like, okay, it's $30, it's $40, it's $50 an hour. And all of a sudden you're like, man, well, okay, I need someone for this many hours a day. Holy cow, that's $300 a day. Oh my God, that's $10,000 a month. Who has that kind of money? Who is going to be able to afford private duty home care? You're going to be all you're going to be able to afford is 1 hour. Well, you're not even 1 hour, because it's probably gonna be a 4-hour minimum. So you might have to be okay with 1 day a week. Or you could look at alternative solutions like adult day, which actually might be able to cost at least half the cost of what home care would traditionally, cost to individuals. And it might be half that price, and you're gonna get so much value out of it. And the cool part is that you can almost always guarantee that, guess what? Someone's going to be there from 8 to 5 or whatever time frame it is. You don't have to worry about call outs, no shows, and some of these other struggles that many home care agencies are facing. So the reality of it is that this inflationary pressure, which obviously is just one of many that's happening in the home care space or in the healthcare space in general, is going to lead to more individuals searching for and seeking alternative solutions like adult day. So if you're interested in learning about how to open up your very own adult daycare center, make sure you go to adcpro.com. Check out all of our monthly webinars. Check out all of our videos that we have on YouTube. Go join our private Facebook group. And if you're interested in learning about the franchise option known as ActiveAge, I know a guy that knows all about ActiveAge, and I can introduce you to him. Go to activeagecare.com/franchise. They're a great company. I heard they're fantastic, and you should look into them. Anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey, guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.